নমস্কাৰ, CMD আছামলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ গ্ৰুপ ভাৰ্ব। আজিৰ আলোচনাৰ বিষয় গ্ৰুপ ভাৰ্বছ। ইংৰাজী ব্যাকৰণত কিছুমান ভাৰ্বৰ পাছত একোটা প্ৰিপজিশ্যন বা এডভাৰ্ব বহিলে অৰ্থটো সলনি হয়। তেতিয়া ভাৰ্বটোৱে তাৰ নিজস্ব অৰ্থ প্ৰকাশ নকৰি সম্পূৰ্ণ বেলেগ এটা অৰ্থ প্ৰকাশ কৰে। যেনে পুট ভাৰ্বৰ অৰ্থ ৰখা, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ লগত অন প্ৰিপজিশ্যন দি পুট অন কৰিলে তাৰ অৰ্থ হয় পিন্ধা। পুট আউট মানে নুমাই দিয়া, পুট ডাউন মানে লিখি লোৱা, পুট অফ মানে স্থগিত ৰখা, পুট আপ উইথ মানে সহ্য কৰা। এনেকৈ ভাৰ্বৰ লগত প্ৰিপজিশ্যন বা এডভাৰ্ব যোগ দি অন্য অৰ্থ প্ৰকাশ কৰা শব্দ তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়। প্লিজ কল ইন এ ডক্টৰ, ডাক্তৰ এজন মাতি আনা। পুট আউট দ্য লেম্প, লেম্পটো নুমাই থোৱা। হি ৱেইটেড আপন দ্য পেচেণ্ট, তেওঁ ৰোগীজনক পৰিচৰ্যা কৰিছে। এনেকৈ ভাৰ্বৰ পিছত বিভিন্ন প্ৰিপজিশ্যন আৰু এডভাৰ্ব যোগ কৰি তৈয়াৰ কৰা ভাৰ্ববোৰক গ্ৰুপ ভাৰ্ব বা ভাৰ্ব ফ্ৰেজ বোলে। এনেদৰে তৈয়াৰ হোৱা ভাৰ্ববোৰৰ বাবে ইংৰাজী ভাষাৰ শব্দ সম্ভাৰ যথেষ্ট বৃদ্ধি হৈছে। তলত কিছুমান ভাৰ্বৰ হ'ব পৰা গ্ৰুপ ভাৰ্ব উল্লেখ কৰা হ'ল। এক্ট অন বা আপোন, পালন কৰা। হি এক্টেড অন আপোন মাই এডভাইচ। স্মকিং অফ টু মাছ চিগাৰেট এক্টেড আপোন, এফেক্ট প্ৰতিক্ৰিয়া কৰা। হিজ হেল্থ, এক্ট আপ টু, মানি চলা, পালন কৰা। I tried to act up into your instruction. Act for, আনৰ হৈ কাম কৰা। The boy acted for his friend. Bear out, সমৰ্থন কৰা। His statement bears out the sense. Bear with, সহ্য কৰা। I cannot bear with such insult. Bear down, অতিক্ৰম কৰা। Ram bore down all his enemies. Bear up, সহ্যত সহি থকা। The boy could not bear up the sorrow at his father's death. Bear on, প্ৰযোজ্য হোৱা। Your argument does not bear on this issue. Bring out, bring about, ঘটোৱা। He brought about his own ruin. Bring down, সেও মনোৱা। His defeat brought him down. Bring forth, জন্ম দিয়া। The woman brought forth a child. Bring out, প্ৰকাশ কৰা। Bring out the substance of the poem. Bring in, অনা। His business brings in a good profit. Bring up, লালন পালন কৰা। Gautam Buddha was brought up by maid servant. Bring round, আৰোগ্য। The patient was brought round by the physician. Bring on, ঘটোৱা। Over exercise brought on his ruin. Bring back, স্মৰণ কৰোৱা। I could not bring the incident back. Blow away, উৰুৱাই নিয়া। The wind blows away the kite. Blow off, বাহিৰ কৰা। The horse is blowing off vapors from his mouth. Blow out, নুমুৱা। The girl blew out the lamp. Blow over, বৈ যোৱা। A terrible cyclone is blowing over Bangladesh. Break away, ভাঙি পলাই যোৱা। The thief broke away the sail. Break down, ভাঙি পৰা। His desk has broken down. Break into, ভাঙি সোমোৱা। Some dacoits broke into the bank. Break off, হঠাৎ বন্ধ কৰা। He broke off the middle of his speech. Break out, হঠাতে দেখা দিয়া। Smallpox has broken out in the village. Break up, বন্ধ হোৱা। Our school breaks up at 3 p.m. Break with, সম্বন্ধ ছেদ কৰা। I have broken with his forever. Break in, কথা কোৱা। After a long pause, he broke in again. Break forth, হঠাতে ভুমুকি মৰা। He breaks forth in his town after a long time. Burst into, হঠাৎ চিঞৰা বা হহা। He burst into laughter. She burst into tears. Burst open, জোৰেৰে খোলা। He burst open the box. Burst out, উচ্চস্বৰে চিঞৰা। The boy burst out in fear. Call at, দেখা কৰা। Please call at my office. Call for, দাবী কৰা। An explanation was called for. Call forth, আহ্বান কৰা। His statement called for strong resentment among the people. Call in, মাতি অনা। He called in a doctor. Call off, উঠাই লোৱা। They call off the strike. Call on, দেখা কৰা। I will call on you this evening. Call over, নাম মতা। The teacher call over our names. Call up, মনত পেলোৱা। I cannot call up what he said. Call upon, দেখা কৰা। He called upon me the day before yesterday. Carry out, পালন কৰা। He carried out the order. Carry on, চলাই যোৱা। He carried on the business. Carry through, পৰিচালিত কৰা। Mr. Subramaniam Swamy carried on the bill through the parliament. Carry off Atorania. The flood carries off large number of people in Assam. Carry away. Taninia. The car was carried away by the engine. Carry out. Logote Rokha. He is so ill that he carries medicine about him. Come out about Ghota. How did the incident come about? Come across. Dekha pua. Passing along the road, I came across him. Come by hotate pua. He came by later. Come of জন্মগ্ৰহণ কৰা. He came of a high family. Come of সম্পন্ন হোৱা. His marriage came of last Sunday. Came out প্ৰকাশ কৰা. At last the secret came out. Come round আৰোগ্য লাভ কৰা. The patient will soon come round. মত সলনি কৰা. He may not come round to my wife views. বন্ধুৰ দৰে অহা বা ঘৰুৱাভাৱে অহা. He likes to come round to my place next week. পুনৰ ঘটা বা সংগঠিত হোৱা. Flood may soon come round. বেয়া অভ্যাস বা কুপ্ৰবৃত্তিৰ পৰা মুক্ত কৰা. He has a habit of drinking, but he will come round in time. Come over. দূৰৰ পৰা চাপি অহা. Please come over here for a moment. Come through. কৃতকাৰ্য হোৱা. He came through the final examination. Come to hand. উদ্ধাৰ হোৱা বা প্ৰাপ্ত হোৱা. The information of the lost child came to hand. Come to rest. ৰৈ যোৱা বা নিশ্চুপ হোৱা. The car came to rest. Come to one's senses. জ্ঞান ঘূৰাই পোৱা, সচেতন হোৱা. The boy came his senses after the incident. Come under. পৃথকীকৰণ কৰা বা শ্ৰেণীভুক্ত কৰা. The rule will come under the provision of India Penal Code. Come up against. বিৰুদ্ধাচৰণ কৰা. His friends have come up against him. Come to pass. ঘটা. The incident came to pass unexpectedly. Come to nothing. নিষ্ফল হোৱা. All his efforts to change his friends' view came to nothing. Come up for. সাজু কৰা. The matter will come up for decision in the meeting. Come upon. হঠাতে দেখা পোৱা. Come up for. সাজু কৰা. The matter will come up for discussion in the meeting. Come upon. হঠাতে দেখা পোৱা. Ram came upon the boy at the market. Come in. প্ৰৱেশ কৰা. Then he came in. Come up to. আশা কৰা মতে হোৱা. The result came up to his expectation. Come under. অধীন হোৱা. India came under the British. Come to. সিদ্ধান্ত কৰা. They came to a conclusion. Cry to. খোজা. The old man carried to some money. Cry up. প্ৰশংসা কৰা. The old father cried his son up. Cry down. নিন্দা কৰা. The grocer cries down the articles of another. Cry for. দাবী কৰা. We cried for enhancement of salary. Cut down. কমোৱা. We have cut down our expenses. Cut off. পৃথক কৰা. He was cut off from the village. Cut up. মৰ্মাহত হোৱা. He was cut up by the bad news. Cut in. মাজতে মতা. Do not cut in what the teacher teaches lesson. Cut short. হ্ৰাস কৰা. The corruption cuts short his service. Cut short. হ্ৰাস কৰা. The corruption cuts short his service. Do for. নষ্ট হোৱা. All the mangoes were done for. Do into. অনুবাদ তৰ্জমা কৰা. Do this passage into English. Do away with. উঠাই দিয়া. We demand the government to do away with this system. Do on. পিন্ধা. He does on the clock. Do off. খুলি পেলোৱা. Please do off your dress. Do up. ক্লান্ত. He is done up with continuous exercise. Do with. কামত লগোৱা. He has nothing to do with this affair. Fall back. পিছুৱাই যোৱা. The army of Humanian fell back. Fall in with. মিল হোৱা. His idea falls in with me. Fall up on. upon. আক্ৰমণ কৰা. লাচিত বৰফুকন fell on upon the Mughals with a vast army. Fall out. কাজিয়া কৰা. The gods and the demons always fell out. Fall through. বিফলে যোৱা. The budget fell through for want of money. Fall away of. আঁতৰি পৰা. হ্ৰাস হোৱা. কমা. When I was in distress, all my friends fell away. Fall to. আগ্ৰহেৰে আৰম্ভ কৰা. The dogs fell to eating greedily. Fall back upon. সহায় হোৱা. I am ready to fall back upon you any disaster. Fall short of. কম হোৱা. The oranges fell short of the need. Fall flat. ব্যৰ্থ হোৱা. His lecture fell out. Fall on the audience. Get at. বুজি পোৱা. ঢুকি পোৱা. I cannot get at the philosophy of Marx. Get along. আগবঢ়া. He is getting along his duty well. একমত হোৱা. He cannot get along with his neighbor. Get down. নমা. He got down from the horse. Get into. জড়িত হোৱা. He got into a trouble. Get off. নমা. He got off the bars. Get over. অতিক্ৰম কৰা. The injured person got over the dangerous moments. Get through. শেষ কৰা. উত্তীৰ্ণ হোৱা. He got through the examination. Get ahead of. আগবাঢ়ি যোৱা. Ram gets ahead of the student in his class. Get on. উন্নতি কৰা. He is getting on with his profession. Get about. প্ৰচাৰ হোৱা. The Rumor is getting about within a short time. Get up, utha. He gets up early in the morning. Give away withdrawn kora. The president gave away the prizes. Give in. Prajoy sikar kora. The enemies gave in. Give out. Prakash kora. Do not give out the secret. Give over. Hastanta kora. The headmaster gave over the search. Give up. Porityag kora. Give up bad habits. Give in up to. Atmahomarpan kora. For a time he gave himself up to despair. Give for. Ghoshona kora. The government gives for the names of the Academy Prize winners. Give out. Khuli goa. Please give out your problem. Give away. Bhangi pora. The wall of the house give away. Get about. Ulai khumai pora. He does not go about after the incident. Go against. Birudhe joa. Ram's brother had gun against him. Go off. Befall hoa. The gun went off. Go throw. Odhyan kora. I gave gun throw the book. Go down. Dubi joa. The sun is going down. Go up. Bahi joa. Price is everybody. Commodity is going on. Go back upon Eridia. Don't go back upon your words. Go in for postut kora. Ram is going in for the competitive examination. Go ahead. Aguai joa. He went ahead with his plan. Go aside. Bipothe joa. The boy went aside from his aim in life. Go beyond. Himar bahir hoa. Do not beyond your capacity. Pass over. Upekha kora. Do not pass over his request. Passed off. Shekh hoa. The examination passed off yesterday. Pass on. Agboha goi toka. Please pass on one by one. Put by. Khansoy kora. Put up. Put by some money for future. Put down likha. Put down the answer. Domon kora. The strike was put down. Put off proyog kora. He put off for all means to solve the problem. Put off stogito rakha. The assembly was put off. Put on pina. He put on new clothes. Put out numua. Put out the fire before he is spread. Put up with hojjo kora. I cannot put up with such insult. Run after অনুসৰণ kora. The dog ran after the hare. Ran at আক্ৰমণ kora. The ox ran at the children. Ran away polua. The dog ran away. Run down klanto hoa. The felt much. Run down in health. Run into jorito hoa. He has run into debt. Run out shekh hoi joa. All his money has run out. Run over sepa. A boy was run over by a motor car. Run through korosi kori pelua. Khoros kori pelua. I have run through all the money I have run off polai joa. The thief ran off as the policeman came inside. See off dekha kora bidai bela. I went to see him off at the aerodrome. See to bibeshona kora. Please see to that he goes not mixed with bad boys. See through অনুধাবন kora. I can see through your idea. See about bibeshona kora. I will see about your problem. Sit for porikhat boha. He sits for the HSLC examination. Sit out shekholoike thoka. He sits out the theatrical performance. Sit about arambho kora. Sit about your task earnestly. Set apart belek kori rakha. I set apart the money to purchase books. Set aside rod kora aggarjo kora. His appeal was set aside. Set in arambho hua. Arambho kora. The spring has set in. Set off jatta kora. My father set off for Bristol. Set out jatta kora. Pore set out for a distance land. Set up স্থাপন kora. A factory was set up in our town. Set away pithak kori rakha. He sets away a portion of his income for charitable purpose. Set to logai dia. The servant was set to hard work. Stand by সাহায্য kora. He stood by me a danger. Stand for protinidhitto kora. The judge stand for justice. Stand on atmanirbhar. Try to stand on your own legs. Stand to reason. Husposto hoa. This does not stand to reason. Stand over stogito thoka. The hearing of says stands over. Stand on parot thoka. Nagaon town stands on the Kolong river. Stand off durot thoka. He stood off the quarrel among his friends. Stand against birodhachon kora. The communists stood against the Congress policy. Take after hadisho hoa. The son takes after his father. Take down likhi loa. Take down what your teacher says. Take for gonyo kora. I do not take him for an honest man. Take off khula. Take off your shirt. Take off bimanere jatra kora. The plane took off at 2 p.m. Take over নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ হাতলৈ নিয়া. He took over the responsibility of the family. Take to অৱলম্বন কৰা. Don't take to drinking wine. Take up দায়িত্ব হোৱা. The lawyer took up my case. Take back ঘূৰাই লোৱা. He took back his commitment. Take in থক হোৱা. He was taken in by the draper. Tell against ক্ষতি কৰা. Overworked has told against his health. Tell upon অনিষ্ট কৰা. Drinking will tell upon you. Turn against বিৰুদ্ধে যোৱা. Friends turn against me. Turn up উপস্থিত হোৱা. Run turn up at the right time. টাৰ্ণ আউট উৎপন্ন কৰা দ্য মেচিন কেন টাৰ্ণ আউট সেভাৰেল হাণ্ড্ৰেড ব্লেডছ ইন এন আৱাৰ টাৰ্ণ আউট ঘটা উই ডু নট এক্সপেক্ট ডেট ইট উইল টাৰ্ণ আপোন নিৰ্ভৰ কৰা ইণ্ডিয়াছ ফিউচাৰ টাৰ্ণছ আপোন দ্য ছাকচেছ ফৰ হাৰ প্লেনছ টাৰ্ণ বেক উভতাই পঠোৱা দ্য ফুটবল টিম ৱাজ টাৰ্ণ বেক টাৰ্ণ ডাউন নাকচ কৰা হিজ প্লেয়াৰ ৱাজ টাৰ্ণ ইনটু অনুবাদ কৰা টাৰ্ণ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইনটু ইংলিছ টাৰ্ণ অফ নুমুৱা টাৰ্ণ অফ দ্য ইলেক্ট্ৰিক লাইট ৱেইট আপোন শুশ্ৰূষা কৰা হিজ ৱেইটিং আপোন হিজ অল্ড মাদাৰ ৱৰ্ক এট ব্যস্ত থকা হি ৱৰ্ক এট হিজ ডিউটি ৱৰ্ক আউট সমাধান কৰা ৱৰ্ক আউট দ্য ছাম ৱৰ্ক আপ উত্তেজিত কৰা দ্য চেণ্টিমেণ্টছ অফ দ্য ষ্টুডেণ্টছ ৱৰ্ক ইনটু প্ৰভাৱ বিস্তাৰ কৰা দ্য ৱাইফ ৱৰ্ক ইনটু দ্য কনফিডেন্স অফ দ্য হাজবেণ্ড ট্ৰেন্সলেশ্যন উইথ গ্ৰুপ ভাৰ্ব উকিলে মক্কেলৰ হকে কাম কৰে এ প্লিডাৰ এক্স ফৰ হিজ ক্লাইণ্ট চোৰটো ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত সোমাল